Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make salted caramel cheesecake. Let's begin. So to start, you'll want to crush your digestive biscuits, and I do this in a food processor, but feel free to do it in a plastic bag with a rolling pin. Once you've got them into crumbs, add in your butter and mix it until it's fully incorporated. It will go to a wet sand looking texture. You can then get this mixture and start to spoon it into your cups or glasses. I used 4, but feel free to split this over 5 or even 6 if you wanted to. Lightly press down the biscuit mixture once it's in the bottom of the glasses. So to start on the cheesecake filling, you'll want to get yourself a large bowl, and into there you'll want to add your soft cheese, your icing sugar, your vanilla extract and your salted caramel, and then give it all a good whisk together until it's fully incorporated. You'll know once it's ready, as it'll become smooth and one solid colour. It'll be quite loose, but don't worry, this is normal. Then you can add in your double cream, and you'll want to whisk this up until the mixture has thickened and starts to hold its own shape. It may take a while, and you may actually want to use a stand mixer or an electric mixer, otherwise your arm will kill afterwards. You can then place the cheesecake mixture into a piping bag and start to pipe it into the glasses on top of the biscuit based mixture that you made earlier on. You'll actually be able to take the cheesecake mixture almost all the way to the top. If you don't want that much, feel free to split it over more glasses. Like I said earlier, 5 or 6 this mixture will easily do. And just before you set these in the fridge to chill, you'll just want to try and level them off as best as you can using the back of a spoon. That's what I found best to work, but feel free to use whatever you've got. And for the whipped cream on top, you'll just want to place some double cream into a medium-sized mixing bowl, along with your vanilla extract and your icing sugar, and give this all a good whisk until it's fully incorporated and it's whipped, making sure it's stiff peaks and no further. Be careful that you don't over whip the cream at this point. Once you've got your whipped cream, you can then transfer it into a piping bag fitted with a star tip nozzle or your nozzle of choice. The star nozzle is my favourite nozzle. Then you can start to pipe it on top of the cheesecakes. You can use as much or as little cream as you like, but if you're going all out on the biscuit base and the filling, you might as well go all out on the topping. So with the salted caramel that you have left over, you can place it into a piping bag and then just drizzle this over the top of the whipped cream you've piped onto each cheesecake. You can use more or less than me. The amount really varies on you and how much you like it. Then on top of each one, I just finish it off with a sprinkle of sea salt, which is coarse, but I rub it between my fingers to break it down a bit. Again, this is optional, but why not? So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video. If you have any video suggestions for the future, leave them in the comments down below, message me on my social medias or message me on my blog. Links to all of my social media, my blog and everything else you need to know will be in the description down below, so go and check that out. And until next week, that's all. Bye guys.